Hello my acquaintances. I guess I was just not really in a safe position to be talking in this video, and it's now like 5 months old, so I have no idea what I was actually saying, but I am unboxing the makeup eraser wipes, the SpongeBob edition. I don't know if this, particular set is still available, but this review is just on the product itself. I'm sure they all work the same regardless of the print, or at least they should. And this is the 7-day mini set with the SpongeBob on them. I love SpongeBob. So I'm just unboxing it now. So, yay, there it is. It comes with tissue paper like at Amazon. So this is the box. They're kind of they got a little bit out of place in there, and I thought it was weird that the box was flipped, it was backwards on one side. I don't know. And then yeah, so I was showing how small they were because I have very small hands. I thought they would be a little bit bigger, but they're actually they're fine, but they are quite small. They're like 2x4, I think. And I'm just reading the back that has all the care instructions and everything on it. You can wash them in the washer with towels and dry them with towels. And I've washed them quite a couple times. Oh, you're supposed to wash them before you use them too. And they don't get any less soft or anything after you wash them. And the packaging is recyclable. And yeah, it just opens like that. And for the shipping, it said it was going to take 2 weeks, but on the package it said 2-day priorities. Or no, it took 2 weeks. So I was thinking that maybe they just held it in the factory for 2 weeks, which was kind of cool. I mean, to prevent spread of COVID. I'm vaccinated now, but I wasn't then. So I thought that was kind of neat if they really just waited 2 weeks before they shipped it to keep people safe. That's kind of cool and epic. Alright, here I'm just saying, wow, it's very soft, and the print is really nice, and they look nice, and I was like, how is this supposed to get anything off my face? This literally feels like a blanket, but it works. Oh, spoiler alert, they work, haha. Anyways, yeah, so I just go through and show all the different prints, and it came with this little booklet that says, shows which ones they are and say, oh, use them every day of the week, but I don't use them every day of the week. I only use them when I need them. But that's the point of having 7, so. Mr. Squidward, there's the Squidward one, and every single one of them has the tag on it that says makeup eraser and has the care instructions on it, which is pretty cool in case you lose one, I guess. So that's me reading the care instructions, which again are wash and dry with towels. There's Gary. Gary, come home. Gary, come home. Gary, come home. Yeah. And then, of course, the main man, SpongeBob SquarePants. We got Patrick. He got Patrick on it. Hey. We got Mr. Krabs, the King Crab. Very cool. And that's all of them? No, there's Plankton too. Yeah. There's Plankton. And the back is not, the print is only on the front, but as you can see, I said. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the color on Plankton was really weird because the rest of the colors were all very accurate. But Plankton was lime green, and Plankton's not lime green. So that's what, yeah. Here's a sandwich of all of them. Very cool. And I go, yay, now I have so many. Wow. And I was checking them to see like what they would, like how big they are against my face. Oh, the packaging was very soft to the touch too. It was like a matte. Oh yeah, and that the like display comes out, so you could display them, but I don't. I just recycled the packaging. But I thought it was really cool, and I did want to reuse the packaging for something, but then I decided it'd be kind of a hoarder move to do that. So I recycled it, yay! Alright, so here's some makeup. I did actually use them already on more neutral looks, and as I expected, they, came off really easily for those. It's also taken off like a full face too, so, but here's the thing, let me show you. These don't really wash very well. Maybe I could try, I think I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes tomorrow. I could try and see if using my makeup brush cleaner on these as well, like washing these like I wash those, will help. Because I put them in the washer like with my clothes, because even like this little bit of pink. So that'd be kind of sad if they just get stained immediately after one thing. So I'm gonna use Mr. Squidward today because that's just the closest color to what I'm wearing. Alright, so just gonna get it wet and tell you how it works. Using warm water, and I squeeze out the water to the affected area. It's also really sad taking this makeup look off because I really like it. And go in a circle and just water, There's a primer on it as well, so it was really stuck on there. It's also, since it's such a soft and malleable cloth, it really can get into the corners, so that's pretty cool. The difference. See if you can see the layers in this, okay? There are still a couple fragments that are not coming up, but that's it. Like, so those I am gonna go in with an actual wipe, just because my wipes are pretty intense. They are the Clean and Clear lemon ones. So I don't know if they're intense actually. I'm just like, oh, lemon, acidic, intense. But it's not really. But this is the aftermath of poor Squidward. So, yeah. Alright, so basically, I originally was gonna do like face paint to see how well it gets like extreme makeup off, like special effects makeup off. But I just haven't done face paint. And won't be doing it in the foreseeable future. Well, like, I know I will be, but not by this Friday, which is when I want this video up. So this is just a full face. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the context and show you how good it gets off a full-on face. Okay, what we're going with. Sure. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. official outro and review. It's not like I started this video 6 or 7 months ago. I don't even remember how much these were. 20? Yeah, price 5 out of... I'm just gonna give them overall a 5 out of 5. Been using them for 6 months. I haven't had to buy makeup wipes. They work just fine. And they're reusable and very good for the planet and very good. They just feel better, honestly. They feel better for your skin. I don't know that they are better for your skin, but they definitely feel better on your skin. All the all the product that's on the wipe. So I'm just gonna overall give them a 5 out of 5. I don't remember. Thanks. You know da. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.